Hey guys, my name is Bakri Diaolu. I am presenting on behalf of my team comprising of me, Eimofe Ajagona, and Sophia Afolabi, and I'm giving a quick demo for how our week one hackathon project actually works. So right now, okay, you'd see that it's not particularly aesthetic. That's because we ran through so many problems. Um, during this hackathon that we weren't able to figure out on time, and right now we this is actually sort of like a prototype, really. Yeah. So this is the project Smart Meal Generator. Now, let me give you like an idea of what the project is about. Now, imagine you're at home just one day and you want to cook a meal. You have some ingredients at home, but you know you still have to get other ingredients, but you do not know what to cook. Now, look no more. Smart Meal Generator is going to find meals and it's going to detail out the steps you are to use to cook these meals. With Smart Meal Generator, having over 20,000 data sets and over 20,000 records, sorry, in a data set which we're still looking to expand or find find a larger data set for it, a data set preferably with millions and billions of recipes. Well, with Smart Meal Generator, all you need to do is type in some ingredients you have, click on Find Recipes, and it is going to generate so many recipes that um you can try out, so many things you can be creative with in the kitchen. Now you can access the web app here at mealgenerator.streamlit.app because we used Python Streamlit to design the app. Yeah, so all you need to do right now is type in your ingredients. Say you had chicken and say you had rice, and click on Find Recipes. Now, look, the Smart Meal Generator has generated over 609 recipes that you can cook from. Now, you can see chicken curry, you can see Thai citrus chicken salad, kung pao chicken with the detailed steps, chicken teriyaki with cashew pineapple rice, delicious chicken feet, um, easy chicken a la king, bon appetit mulligatawny chicken soup, chicken soup, I presume. So many options that you can have. Actually, something that we didn't add that we should have added is the extra ingredients you're going to need, or just all the ingredients you're going to need, and yeah, that would be part of our future plans as well. We're going to add so many other features, such as um, low carb options for low carb, maybe high protein, or if you want low protein, if you want high carb, you want more fat and oil in the food, more minerals, or you want just vegan options, or you want non-vegan options. We are going to add all of that um in the future as we keep working on this web app. So right now, if you since we actually finished this late yesterday, so we haven't actually had a multitude of users lining up. We really have 18 users for now, but we are still looking to expand that as we advertise and market the app for so many people, because it is actually going to be um, kind of like a breather for so many people. It's going to really change their lifestyle. Not really change, but it's going to augment their lifestyle. Let me put it that way. So yes, that is the smart meal generator. I hope you enjoyed it. Um, we had our hindrances or obstacles while building it, but it was actually fun to create. So thank you very much, and I'll see you next time.